buried down. Buried in there. This mini countryman. When I say buried, I mean his head is buried in his lap. Hello there, sir.
Oh God!
I'm sorry you got a fright. I didn't intend to give you a fright.
You did.
The highway code expects you to keep an eye out, not in your phone.
No, hold on. When I say
Yeah, but when you're stationary in the queue, it expects you to keep an eye out for filtering cyclists and motorcyclists. I'm a nobody, don't worry. But I am. What I have done.
I'm not a nobody, and I suggest you move on. I was stationary here, and I'm
I'm afraid.
my own business. And what you did was that you caused me harassment. So I suggest you move on.
Well, I'm about to depart, but I just want you to know that I'm going to report it to the police with the video evidence from the camera on my head, and they will most probably prosecute you.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's still considered driving. You need to do better, sir, in future. Have a good day.